our chatbot called Cocodrilo. It's a chatbot aimed to inform the users of their carbon footprint based on their daily activities, and it's supposed to provide them with feedback on how they can reduce their overall carbon emissions with small tasks that they can implement into their everyday life.
So on our homepage of our website, there is a personalized chatbot. So this chatbot was created using Gemini API key. So when the user first says hello to the chatbot, the chatbot introduces itself and what is its purpose, along with asking the user how it can help them decrease their carbon footprint. So the first question it prompts the user is, how would you like to know your daily impacts on the environment? And then I'll type yes. And then it'll teach the user about the carbon footprint and then say first, what is your primary mode of transportation? Since we are gearing more toward how their transportation affects the environment, that's why the chatbot is asking these questions. So I'll type in car. Okay, it says okay, great. And how many miles do you drive per week? I'll type in 40. And then do you drive alone? I'll type in I drive alone. Okay. Then it'll say talk about that you can say it decrease your carbon footprint by carpooling or using public transport. And then I'll say talk about your diet. I'll ask the user more questions and then give them more advice on how they can further decrease their carbon footprint. As you previously saw, it does remember the user's conversation, but when the screen is reloaded, it forgets the user's conversation, so each user has a unique ID generated when the app is launched. And then we'll talk about the mascot.
So the mascot name is Cocodrilo. It's like a graphical user interface and it has like a robot face mounted on the steering wheel. That's our mascot. And the technologies we used in this were Azure for the web hosting, Node.js, and Gemini APIs. That's it.
Down below, there's also a text input where the user can enter the miles and it will generate their carbon footprint. And that is it for our presentation.